Hey everyone, and I would thankful for my seniors for giving me this opportunity to make this project. And here is my project. This is my AI chatbot project. As required the procedure, this is the backend that I have used, and this in this ENV environment, I have provided my Google API key, and this is my backend, and this is my front end. As this was in a structured format as you have required, and this is the database. And let's run. This is my project that I have done. So let's work it here. This is my GitHub where I have created a repository and I have created repository and pushed it here. And this is my project. This is my project. So yeah, while this is my project. As first of all, this project works on AI chatbot. First of all, let's discuss what is an AI chatbot. AI chatbot is a web application allows users to have natural conversations. These AI chatbots has been used in real life scenarios. Example, let's take as ChatGPTs, Gemini AIs, etc. In these evolving technologies in the world, these AI chatbots has been improved in many purposes, in many aspects to improve our work efficiency. Suppose let's take an example of ChatGPT. So what is the use of ChatGPT? Suppose that ChatGPT has been used in many ways in our lives. Okay, so if we have some any doubt, we don't know about something. So when we ask a question, the question has been taken from the front end, and the front end is connected to the back end, right? So the user input has been taken, and the backend workflow works on it and gives the response through API key, this Gemini API key, and this Gemini API key will responds to again backend key, and this backend and this response has been provided to the front end where the user can see the data. So here I was entering the data hello. While I was see it gave the response. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with that? Would you like to chat? So now I don't know about engineering. I had a few doubts about engineering. So I was typing here, what is engineering? See, it have given the output of engineering. So how this AI chatbot works? I think is anyone thinks that a magic? No, it's not a magic. So API keys totally depend on APIs and LLMs. So first of all, LLMs are large language models. This is an AI model trained from above sources through training to perform ability to answer the questions. These large language models. In our project, LLM is hosted by Google. We access it using Gemini API key. And what is API key? The API keys plays as a bridge, allows to software applications to communicate. When we call an API on a specific doubt on a specific question, when the database has been connected, right? So when we question it, the question has been transferred from front end to back end and then back end to the Gemini, and the response has been again taken from Gemini API key to the back end, and the response has been came to front end where the user has been seen. So this UI is used as a front end where the data can be seen. Suppose this is the project that I have done, right? So I can start the new chart again. Here, what is data science? Again, the data science has been it provides the data about the data science. This is my past questions that have been tested here, and this is my send button while I have entering data. So it's showing here table, and this is the send button, and this is my project that I haven't done in the AI chatbot. So these AI chatbots have been used in real life scenarios. Examples: suppose there is a person called Ragnesh, as he had a communication training center. So he has multiple students and multiple people will communicate with him and multiple people will contact with him. So at this time, many messages will be coming to his number and many messages will be coming to his email. So how can be he respond always to every email and every message? So by building these types of AI chatbots, these makes life simpler and easier. So these chatbots interact with people to communicate and to interact and to provide answers and to provide knowledge, and they interact to response for the user in any aspect as trained. So this is my project. Myself, I'm Veda. Again, I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year in the branch of data science in Kite. So this is my project and this is my GitHub repository link. And thank you for providing me this opportunity to teach you to learn here. Thank you.